everyone, welcome to Learn English with Kizom, where we make learning English fun and easy. I'm your host and teacher Kizom, and I am super excited to have you all here. I welcome you all to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn something very important, and that is how to introduce yourself in English. Whether you are meeting new friends, or you're starting a new job, or just practicing English by yourself. Learning how to introduce yourself in English is key. Hey Khamsang, taring kinyen du sega pe pating lengi samlol ka shigi ye taring kinyen du ni nala lengi nganzu ki susu ki ngodu china inge thoni basic TASHI jiorwa ta nyungshu la khandi ro chego yemele jiorwa ming la dang athini la dang jiorwa te khandi chine le la pu chin khandi la thugure le jiorwa tingi tari di ko la jikshena samcho an tharing ki nyin du na nge thangbo ngarang gel henge sola tinde chi yore la she nge shamdala henge sola jongdar chie gi phale an thiwa thia do tusto chigi tharing ki nyin du dene roji kiselenge so gi tinde chi how to introduce yourself in English susugi injinane inge thoni ngode chida de hago de yo paina nyen du shamba Sirunal Shui, Dingun like his links on the channel told him a tambo picture do chadina, Khamsang, Yaming like his own see you, and to the data pegaton inji jangai, Yendusum dangure, Lingus pegashing your batam, pegaton inji jande paina, injing on the channel to subscribe narona, Yendung leg it is this tawa purple pemba, chiru to shira chegatola, and the channel learn English with Kizom to ligure, lasso, taco to ye. Laselinge injinang la ngodu chedu sambola introduce chedu susu la tangshu khare chir shu paina susu ki ming lagarwa ta ngai imbaina ngeming la kizom sigi yele dinge khandi lagarla na my name is Kizom ta lenge susu ngodu chainda laso ta ngodu chida thande susu ming la tang thande chigi yorwa pegena imbaina nga Kizom yi ladi The engine can do chugo shupaina. I am Kizom. Lengi Let's that kisilingi chugi. My name is Susuming Karim Baini and Dilana. Yana I am lab Susuming Karila Parigine. You got dig the what this Susugi chick Karidea do Dilata the Chinela Digorwa. Nine by not modelos chidi. Kisi Tangmagi, my name is Lene. Mangchogi, my name is the La Regina, and I am Lene in the Roshli Ramanchogi. I am the La Regina, and young my name is Dilane. The Tambong and Zugi Susuki Moduchidu Ming Kandila Yopaticha. The Ming is a Karicha Shupaina sharing where you are from. Susukani but the Lachura, Ting on Zugi Kandila Shupaina. I am from Kawani Baini and Dilado. Tangai Baina Nipuni in La Paragina. I am from Tibet. Takisinga Yaganile in Lain Baina. I am from India. Hangit Susu Jondar Chainda. Inda. Ta Yanjo Ladan Shimbachi or Terwa. The Karicha Shupena. I come from and Kawani, Gasa, such a Kawani Ligio Baina and Dilerta. Tang Nine Baina, Colegal Ni Line Baina. I come from Colegal. Yana, I am from Kawani Lumba Kawain Baina and Dilana Dire. Yana, I come from Kawani Baina. The Dinginium Dula Regina Mingda Lepsade. Hi, Yana. Good morning, Karim Baina. Ratanga, I'll go with hi everyone and Legunderwa. Hi everyone. I am Kizom. I come from Colegal. Yangna. Hi everyone. My name is Kizom and I am from India. Laso. Tas sumpa tingan so kari chagi yor shupaina sharing what you do. So kari chagi yor pati korla lech yorwa. Kisi loptu chimbaina kandila chugure. I am a student. Charwa. I am a student. Ta kisi so lega chigi yor paina. I work as a dash. Ta ngai baina giging gilagas chigiorwa. I work as a teacher. Doctor chimbaina. I work as a doctor. Ta lengi so practice chainda. Yegi second ngate oral lengi so kisi student di monkey baina. I am a dash lab monkey student in lecture wa kisi lega do chigyo paina yang I am a teacher lana digre yang I work as a teacher ta teacher ki sabla susu khari yim paini andi line da go laso ta kisi changma lega chigi yo ba kyab gmara lega chigi me paina kisi lega che shimba ga yim paina currently I am looking for a job nga thanda lega che shimba ga yins yang na kekoji chigi me paina at the moment I am taking a break ra ta thanda digital nga break dose parsing dose lendi use yang na at the moment lange matuna I am taking a break right now ra nga thanda break lendi yu lecture ra dus dose session na manjo ki so khari chigi yo bade ya dus chado yo do ra yang ger this section di koni chigi baina yang na I am a student I am a monk I am a nun I am a teacher I work as a teacher currently I am looking for a job yang na I am taking a break right now dige nganjo ki so khari chigi pa korla chaya di nganjo ki ngodu chi di nanglo tislu barajina chik connection dos tengi dwara phajo mindi da susu tis chitewa chik yakpu so yo rojo ro tende ros chadu yor ta susu ki ngodu nanglo la kisi mi phajo de la susu korla tis manga chik lange thugiyo paina you could share your hobbies and interests ra susu ki khari che gauye ti korla shewarajina tharung midi susu korla ya do chagwa gi khugap do chirwa ti chidi sambola kisi hobby thuju tongba do la chik susu chik che gau do yo paina andilana dirwa penachna I like to love and khari che gauye painia tangai paina I like to read books I love to make videos I love to teach English to the monks and nuns. Digang ara khari chia go yo pati ros chaswara. Talhinga choinda susu I like to love khari chia go yo painea. And samula yandiran dur derwa. I like to play football, basketball, cricket karim painea. Talhinga choinda. I like to love karim painea. Go. Laso. Tadila na thandu specific mix sukar ne susu ginga dippe go yo lecture ra interest yo yo do chimba ina onzo khandi la chugo yore ta inji janga gi interest in pe yo de pe yo lecture ra I am interested in learning English language yang na chitang ne kerik janga go yo paina I am interested in learning languages nga language champe go yes ta khala se go yo paina I am interested in cooking. Nga khala sa pe ko lecture ra tila talinge so khari ko yo paine tila inda. I am interested in dash lang dash na linge so lerta go. Laso linge ta tharingi lopchen di nanglo langan jugi inji ki vocabulary thanye khase studio ra tinge linge chola dokbo chine ngote da dishes teginda thangbo introduce sedu sambola ngote chewa nipa hobby sedu susu tuju tongbala khari chea go ye tila sumba interest sedu sambola susu pe dopa yo chik chela dopa pe yo chyor what that is interest tene occupation sedu susu gi yongbap sa gi lega chyor job lega lagor thama hometown sedu susu gi ta pai dichadiyor ra dige nganjugi daring ge chik vocabulary sawa dige roscha tangi introduce chedangi dechen chik tangbo ming chethene khani bala khashes chila swara ni zo shila yewache ra de changmanyam du dine ngarangi ngote chik chigin ra angel henga chala party wa tiginda. Hi everyone, my name is Kizam. I'm from Kollegal. I am working as a teacher, as an English teacher at a monastery based in Tsopema. I like reading books, I like watching movies, and I love making videos. Last lenge tangi lenge chala party wa tiginda ra lenge chugi ge second nga juji shagin tinal lenja inda. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do? What's your hobby? Great job. Ta kisi le takda the na yakshi che kisi the mo regine Kemar, don't worry, ra. Ngazugi chingi section, comment section di. It's open. Lengi so paid na lane thangma tisha warigine and digure. And taring it's dang to dos chin shagi. Tipo to sensi na shiwe by na ying tapani cutting chep. Ma penela subscribe na you na inject subscribe na ni perona. Instagram thola follow na hime by na. Dinge learning English with kizom gi. Instagram handle re, dinge anyonga ge handle re, dingarange personal handle do chadiyo re, and sangwala follow na na, and jama ngin dus na lengi sangma jab je gire ochi ye, te bad lengi sangma chapu chine shuru na, ngan singem de inje jani shuru na.